This is the 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐭 138 Bresle salt kit instructional video. First thing you want to do when doing this type of test is calibrate the conductivity meter. So to do so, it has calibration solution. Just turn gauge on, insert a few drops of the solution in the sensor area, and press cal. Cal signal will appear on the screen, and after a few seconds, it will disappear, meaning that the gauge is calibrated. And set off as a form. Now, set this aside for later. What we want to do here is use one of the Bresle patches. It has an adhesive on the back, and you want to remove the adhesive inset. Place the patch on the plastic surface and make sure to press very firmly around the edges of the membrane. Now we want to have 3 milliliters of deionized water available and pull that up into a syringe. Just carefully insert the syringe into the outer area and put about 1.5 milliliters, about half the solution, into the patch. Reposition the needle. Pull out any air that's trying to expose as much surface area as possible to the water. Push out the air, the syringe, and then reinsert the syringe and place the remaining deionized water into the patch. So that patch should be almost full. Now you want to massage the solution for 10 to 15 seconds to release any salts that might be present on the surface. Once you've done so, you want to pull the solution out into the syringe, and then you want to put it back in once it's trying to pull all the salts off the can, and then pull it out one more time. Ready to test. So we the meter now. It's always good to rinse the meter with the solution that you're going to be testing. So we'll just run some of this test solution over the sensor. And now we only have our test solution in that area. Turn the gauge on, and it's going to start reading automatically. And once it has finished reading, a smiley face will appear on the screen. There we go. So we have 99 microsiemens per centimeter conductivity. To convert this to units of milligrams per square meter of salts, just multiply this number by 1.2. That'll give you milligrams per square meter. To then convert that to micrograms per square centimeter, just divide that number by 10. And that's how easy it is to test for salts with the 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐭.